I'm about to head to the Poultry Hollow Hatchery, which is in Carthage, Tennessee, and picking up some chickens. I wanted some juvenile chickens that could lay eggs and eat the bugs around the house and in the garden. And so I had talked with the owner of the hatchery, and he suggested Australorp chickens, Blue Australorp. They were developed in Australia. So we're gonna pick up 4 juveniles and get them going and probably start laying in about 10 weeks. I am at the Tractor Supply, which was on the way. So I had to pick up a few things, a chicken feeder, chicken water, and some chick feed. They aren't quite adult enough, but what I'm picking up, so I needed to get some chick feed for them. And then now I'm off to get the chicks. So we had at home already a rabbit cage, so that's what I'm using to transport the chickens that I'm picking up. Here we are at the poultry hatchery. I'm pulling up in their driveway. It's really pretty here. Mountains all around this hollow. So I'm looking forward to meeting my new chickens. So the girls made it home to our house in the rabbit cage. They're all 4 are. They're a little bit scared because they've traveled about an hour. And I'm about to put them in their new chicken coop, their new home. And there they are in their new homes. They can't quite figure out what's going on yet. They're huddling around, walking around, trying to check everything out, but they'll do great.